what else can we do in order to effectively implement revenue management as quick as possible, at the same time as consistent as possible? Maybe we can build something that we could call a revenue calendar. So we can think about how we can not only have last minute reactions to certain things and be very active, but rather being proactive. So what we do, step one, is to obviously identify demand calendar with certain peaks and often for certain lows, in order to always make sure we watch out for certain key dates, for certain milestones and certain dates we should obviously take action towards to, in order to review our, how things are going for Christmas, New Year's, certain mid-season, high season, low season, shifts of segments, that sort of thing. So look about events, holidays, things that you either create yourself to attract customers, or things that are obviously happening around you in the comp set. Then number two, step two, think about your alignment of distribution. When do we push direct sales? When do we obviously more attracting on the OTAs? Sort of map it out. When do you want to take certain considerations for push further here, put a particular package in place here? When do you start selling? When is the effective dates for the customer actually coming, what they have booked for? And then obviously when do you stop the sale and you move on to the next sort of season package, whatever it may be. Then number three as well, set yourself a checklist or checkpoints in order to make sure when do you actually review what you have done, the strategy alignment that you have, say, put in place, put in action. So do we do this every 2 weeks? Are we doing this every week, let's say every Monday, for example, or do we do it twice a week? When do we do the check-in? When do we, let's say, review, monitor, take action again, or just let it continue going? That is something you need to think about, how often that needs to be done. That depends on the responsiveness of your comp set as well, what your competitors are doing, but at the same time as well, you should always, put it in your calendar to remind yourself in terms of when is the day off the adjustment, when is the day off taking place. For a small hotel, this is probably something you can do in Excel with a very simple spreadsheet, or just with a calendar, shared calendar for everybody. In a larger hotel, of course, or chain, you probably need a sort of system in place, something that integrates into your other systems, into your technology landscape. So the RM system will probably be something that can help you there, because you can automate certain tasks. So it's always about that, keeping it on track with those 3 action points. You already get to it quite quickly and simple if you stick to it.